Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. And yes, I am still in Valencia. First of all, sorry for not uploading for a few days. It had a few reasons actually. The first reason is really bad Wi-Fi. Like both the hotel and the event I was working had such low Wi-Fi that I couldn't upload videos in 4K whatsoever. So that's why I decided today to upload it in 1080p. So yeah, let's hope it goes better today. The second reason is that I had some problems with my voice. I've been talking so much in the recent days that, you know, my voice is squeaking a little bit, as you can hear. But it's already much better than yesterday. So I'm back at it. It's my last day in Valencia. I'm going back to Stockholm tomorrow. So for those that only want to see Stockholm videos, tomorrow I'm back at it. Anyway, I am still in Valencia, and quite close to my hotel is this beautiful park here. Have a look. With those lovely trees. And there's like a little playground in the middle. Very nice. Very old, mature trees here. I really like them. Oh yeah, and actually the third reason, besides the voice and the internet, was also the rain. I've been here for like 5 days, and it was only one good day where it was actually sunny, which was yesterday. So yesterday was really like t-shirt weather, really nice, but it's been rainy and cold and not what you expect of Spain. But anyway, let's not complain. Let's walk around. Little restaurant here, Donde Layo Restaurante. I think there's a shopping mall behind here, so maybe let's go inside there. The only thing is that I have to wear a mask, so I hope you can still hear me when I'm speaking. As you can see, Valencia also has scooters, but it's not the rental scooters, it's more personally owned ones. So yeah, so this looks like the mall. Alright, while I'm walking, I literally just stepped in dog poo. Oh shit. Oh, I think it's okay. Not as bad as it could have been. I saw on my phone this morning it was -8 degrees in Stockholm. So when I get back to Sollentuna, it is like winter time, really cold. So yeah, I think we also had some snow. So yeah, it's time for that real Christmas winter vibe in Stockholm. It's really nice. I'm looking forward to it. Because as I said before, I don't mind snow and winter at all. It is a bit dark, but yeah, you know, who cares? You get used to it. Okay, what is this? There's so many people here. Ah, I think it's the court. What does it say? Audiencia Provincial Fiscalia y Justicia. Alright. Many people here. I first thought it was the entrance of the mall, but it's not. It's like a different thing. Dígame. Cool. I like that. I don't know if all these people have like legal issues or whatever or something. I'm not sure what it is, but just in queue for something. A lady was looking really angry at me, but I guess it is because they're queuing for something they've done or something. Maybe have to pay a fine, or I don't know. Maybe I'm not allowed to film there, I'm not sure. So let's see where the shopping mall is. I think it's somewhere over there. Cool, no bad luck with traffic lights. Like, one thing I've noticed in Valencia here is that everything is so big. Like the roundabouts, the buildings, the architecture, even the trees, like everything feels like double the size as back home. Let's have a look here in the garden. So the question is, am I allowed to film in the shopping mall? But there's only one way to find out. Let's just go in. Let's put my mask on. All right, can you still hear me with the mask on? I think so, I think so. Does this say Saled? Salem? Saled, I think. Not sure what that means, but all right. Our good old friend McDonald's. Doesn't matter where you go, McDonald's is everywhere. So it is around 10 o'clock in the morning, so I guess the shopping mall should be open by now. Yes, it says welcome. That's a good sign. Entrada. All right. No security guard. Sometimes they have those. All right, the shops are like opening as we speak, because it's exactly 10 o'clock. All right, what do we have here? A lot of food. Actually, lemongrass over there. That's where I went to eat last night. It basically doesn't look so different than any shopping mall in Stockholm. A lot of restaurants in the middle, fast food chain. We got Starbucks over there. But there's also a lot of shops that I've never seen before, so some jewelry. Oh, some Christmas lights up. feels like I'm starting to talk louder and louder because of my mask. I'm so not used to this. But in Spain, if you don't wear your mask, oh, you're really in trouble. Even at the hotel, when you come to the reception forgetting your mask, they send you back to your room. It's like very strict. But I must say, this is a really nice looking mall with a high ceiling. Oh, bicycle shop. No, nobody seems to care that I'm filming so far. It's always difficult when you go to a new country, new culture. You don't know how they're gonna react, but people don't really seem to notice or seem to care, so. Got a few mall walks left to do in Stockholm, but I wanted to do those when the Christmas lights are up, so that's why I haven't done them yet. I think Mall of Scandinavia has a really amazing Christmas display, so I should check on the website if it's out or not, I'm not sure. At the supermarket. Like, one thing I noticed here in Valencia is that everybody, not everyone, but I don't see, at least here in the city center, I hardly see any immigrants. I haven't seen almost no Africans or people from the Middle East or Turkey, or most people here in Valencia seem to be Spanish. And I didn't really expect that, but I guess it's different in Madrid or Barcelona, but here I really get a Spanish feeling. Nice. It's really funny to have Christmas lights up and then together with palm trees. Oh, they really made an effort here. La Casa de las Caicasas. The house of the something. Don't know what that means. So maybe I'll make another video on the airport later on today. Let's see what I do, because I can very clearly tell that people always prefer my Stockholm video, so maybe tomorrow I'll do Stockholm. Also depends how I feel when I get from, you know, back home. If I still got the energy tomorrow after bringing the children to school. Because that's by far the hardest thing when I travel for work, is I have to miss my children. Alrighty. A little cruise here through the mall in Valencia, Spain. Also, I'll probably have to check out soon. I think the checkout is like 11 or 12, so there it is, Starbucks. It's probably my least favorite coffee chain. I find it very unpersonal. Although they probably think it's different because they want to write your name on the cup. And I'm like, what do you mean write my name on the cup? Just give me my drink. Because writing your name on a cup is just lazy, because that means you have to go and get it yourself. If I pay $5 for a coffee, can you not at least give it to me in a proper way? So yeah, not a big fan. Alrighty. In the meanwhile, they opened the fountain. Great. This is a perfect way, let's take up the mask, a perfect way to end my video here. It's good to be back. From now on I'll try to upload every day again. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.